Nerf gun attachments 5. This is a nice one with a sniper rifle, long strike. It is it has been modified. You can just tell. Okay, we got the Spectre barrel, long strike scope right here. It is very accurate because when you look through the scope, it goes also onto this, so it's like super accurate. We have the Alpha Trooper drum magazine, 18, and we got a light right there. I'm not sure if you can see it. That's about it. Well, just 2 clips in the back, 6 clips only. I don't know if it holds 18. I'll try. Just kind of messed up my whole inventory. Yeah, it does hold 18s. No, it doesn't actually. Sorry. Okay, so sniper rifle. 5.